A lot of stuff going on that's super new for Sartorius and would be new for every other company. So this is not a Sartorius thing. So the whole digitization is happening, and you need to take people by the hand, explain the stuff, communicate the stuff. Digital landscape out there is changing really fast. So every day there are news and new tools, new vendors, everything. So pioneering the digital journey and the digital evolution of Sartorius means understanding first our customers, because whatever we do for our customers, then understanding trends, where technology is going, and then translating this into a meaningful solution for Sartorius that helps to fuel Sartorius growth, that helps to execute Sartorius rapid growth agenda. And it's a bit, this pioneering is testing, trying, but a lot of understanding and then incorporating it into sustainable solutions. It starts with having a clear understanding where you want to go. So coming together as a team and defining what's your purpose, why you are there, what's your justification being in business, and then translating this into a personal team roadmap and defining what your vision as a team is, where you want to go. And it's not even related to digital. It's a very foundational topic, because at the end it's people that make the digital transformation happen, and you need to enable those people and you need to give the people orientation. And I think that's one of the prerequisites for living digital transformation. Creating a culture that has this kind of openness, that has this kind of innovation spirit, that has this kind of curiosity, and creates the environment so that the people can perform, enabling people executing their own capabilities. More of those formats like we are having here, so try stuff out, so try design thinking out, because if you want to go for a solution, usually you took 1 or 2 years create complex products. Now we have with design thinking a chance to create in 3 days a prototype and test it. So go for new ways, go for rapid approaches like design thinking, go for more collaborative approaches, so blend people in teams. So move away from silo mentality, go for cross-functional teams. The borders are more blurry, it's more transparent, people are migrating between the different teams, and that's a good thing. So interdisciplinary teams, new formats like rapid prototyping or like this high-performance team approach, I think that's a good way. It's still experimenting and learning. It's all about experimenting and learning. Also, what we did during the last days, from my point of view, was a big experiment, and we will learn from it, and I think that's what it's about.
Thank you for the discussion, Lars.
Thank you.